Richard, look here, smile. Here's Richard Mead. He's from San Francisco for 9 years now. Came all along from LA. He's the current boyfriend of Marge.
The current. Thank you, Marge.
His Richard's really handsome and really nice guy.
Can you hear do you record the running commentary?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now what you see is a pyramid building. Trans-America building, let's call it. This is in the financial district of San Francisco. Me and Richard are walking right now, going down the Embarcadero to watch the fireworks, celebrating the event of, what event, Richard?
The K-Fog radio station Kaboom concert.
Oh, it's a K-Fog radio station Kaboom concert. Now it's May 13th, Saturday, here in San Francisco at about it's about 7:30 p.m. Thank you.